Scikit-LLM allows developers to seamlessly integrate language models into scikit-learn for enhanced text analysis tasks. It features zero-shot text classification, multi-label zero-shot text classification, and text vectorization. Scikit-LLM is still under development and it plans to add support for more models and fine-tuning. The Popover API is a new set of declarative HTML APIs for building popovers that will come to browsers soon, starting with Chromium 114. The API allows developers to build functional popovers without JavaScript. It supports promotion to the top layer, light dismiss functionality, default focus management, accessible keyboard bindings, and accessible component bindings. Future versions of the API will support interactive entry and exit and anchor positioning. Using GPT-4 in the wrong way can result in a lot of wasted time. This Hacker News thread discusses effective ways to use the large language model for programming. Microsoft is adding a new ChatGPT-driven Copilot feature in Windows 11 that can be used alongside other Windows apps. It will be available to Windows insiders starting in June. Windows Copilot will appear in a separate window and will assist with various tasks based on what it is asked to do. It can change Windows settings, rearrange windows with snap layouts, summarize and rewrite documents, open apps, and more. There will be a dedicated button for Windows Copilot on the taskbar. Microsoft has not revealed details about how the feature will deal with the privacy or security of its users. Uber users in Phoenix will be able to hail Waymo's robotaxis for rides and food delivery later this year. The multi-year partnership will see a set number of Waymo vehicles servicing an area of 180 square miles. These vehicles will not be exclusive to Uber. Uber and Waymo have a pre-existing partnership involving autonomous long-haul trucking. Uber also has a partnership with Motional to make robotaxis available in Las Vegas. Apptronik is developing a general-purpose robot. It currently has two halves of a robot. Astra is an upper body designed to be mounted on another robot, and Draco is a set of robot legs. The company's approach is markedly different from that of Tesla's Optimus. Apptronik will be exploring a Series A funding round following the unveiling of the full robot this summer. The article contains photos and videos of both Astra and Draco, as well as other technologies that Apptronik has developed. Up to 2% of children experience egg allergies. They usually outgrow their egg allergy by the time they are 16, but until then, they have to avoid eating eggs and products that contain eggs, including flu vaccines. Researchers from Japan have used gene editing technology to create chickens that lay eggs without the protein most likely to trigger an egg allergy. As even a small amount of the protein can be life-threatening to someone with a severe egg allergy, the researchers plan to perform more studies on these eggs before claiming that their eggs will not trigger reactions. This article features a transcript from an interview with Microsoft CTO Kevin Scott, who oversees Microsoft's AI efforts. Microsoft is integrating Copilot into Windows 11 in collaboration with OpenAI. The interview covers why Microsoft decided to partner with a startup instead of building AI tech internally, where the two companies disagree, how they resolve their differences, and why Microsoft is choosing to build for itself instead of relying on OpenAI. The audio for the interview is available. Strawberry is a tiny front-end framework that provides reactivity and composability without dependencies or a build step. Samsung's rollable flex screen can be unrolled from 49mm to 254.4mm. A picture of the screen in its rolled and unrolled forms is available in the article. Bing will be the default search engine for ChatGPT, allowing the model to pull answers from the internet and provide citations.